Alright, here we go, guys. We are responding code free. Copy dispatch, no longer in the trucking yards. Searching primary location. Okay, so we have something going down here. All units have responded, over. Alright guys, we're getting gone out. Look at that state trooper car, guys. Maybe next, if GTA 5 still doesn't work, I guess we could be a state trooper. Wow, state trooper, guys. That car looks better than my cruiser. So we have more units coming on scene here. Which one's my car? Is cleared. We have EMS on scene here. Yeah, guys, I need some medical help here. And the tasers now have laser pointers. Let's go talk to the state trooper over here. So the state trooper just left, even though plastic usual, guys. So my name is Awesome Nick, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this patrol. I know I did. See you guys in the next Awesome Nick video, guys. Bye, guys.